Rules and rules of thumb. We like them because they're a quick and easy way to figure something out, or a helpful guide in decision making. Sometimes they're based in fact. Other times it's more of a cultural thing, like don't wear white after Labor Day, or you're supposed to retire in your 60s. Here's a couple more financial rules that are fun, factual, and based on real math. But keep in mind, they're still rules of thumb and just estimates. We've already discussed the rule of 72 in another video. That's how you do a quick calculation to determine how long it takes a given lump sum of money to double in value. You divide 72 by the interest rate, or expected rate of return, and the result is the time period. For example, if the interest rate is 6%, divide 72 by 6, and you get 12. So 12 years in this case for your money to double. What about tripling your money? Well, now the dividend becomes 114. Divide 114 by 6, and you get 19 years. Interesting. It took 12 years to double, but only another 7 years to triple. The power of compounding. Want to really impress? Do the quadruple, the 4Xer. How long it takes to quadruple your money? The dividend is 144. So, carrying on with our 6% example, divide 144 by 6, and you get 24. The double, the rule of 72 one, I can pretty much do that one in my head. If you're like me, you might have to pull out the old HP12C to figure the 114 and 144 division. Not that there's anything wrong with that.